Today, we're going to learn how to create a group email in Outlook. This is a great way to communicate with multiple people without needing to add each individual email every time. First, let's quickly go over what a group email is. A group email allows you to send messages to a list of recipients simultaneously. This can save you time and ensure everyone stays informed. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, navigate to the People or Contacts section. Here you can find all the contacts. Now to create group, tap on Go to Groups. Here, create groups to see. Click on New Group. Now first let's give a name to your group. This could be anything relevant to the people you're including, like project team or family. You can also give description. Next, click on create. Here you can add members. You'll see options to add from your Outlook contacts, from your address book, or create a new email contact. Add your members. After that, click on add and simply click on create, and that's it. You've successfully created a group email